to make chicken wings. The ingredients for the chicken wings is 1 kg chicken wings, Kentucky spice, breadcrumbs, hot sauce, garlic and herb spice, 3 eggs and 2 tablespoons chicken garlic. Now let's get on to making the chicken wings. Firstly, put hot water in a pot. Then put 2 teaspoons of garlic and herb spice. Marinate chicken wings in ginger garlic and the garlic and herb spice. Put the chicken wings in the hot water that we put the garlic and herb spice in. Then take the pot and put it on a stove set on full temperature. Then let it steam for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, strain it and let it cool down. Add hot sauce to beaten eggs. How hot is this hot sauce? Once chicken is cooled, dip in egg, agame and breadcrumbs. Do this for all the wings. Now put crumb chicken into freezer. Let it freeze for 2 hours. After cooled, heat oil in pot. Fry the wings in hot oil. Let it get golden brown. Then remove it from oil and serve it with hot sauce.